Welcome to today's video. If you use the Band app to connect with communities, you might sometimes receive too many notifications on your phone. In this video, I will show you how to easily disable push notifications in the Band app so you can enjoy a quieter experience without constant interruptions. First, open the Band app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Small Settings icon. After that, find and tap on the Notifications option. Finally, turn off the toggle for Receive Push Notifications. Then click on Off to confirm. Once this option is disabled, you will stop receiving alerts from the Band app directly on your phone. Disabling push notifications in the Band app is quick and effective. With just a few taps, you can reduce distractions, stay in control of your phone, and focus more on your priorities.